Mrs. Hopper's third grade class. We are your hosts for our November Award Assembly.
Hi, I'm Riley, and our first awards are the Wildcats of the Month and our Service of Self. The Wildcat of the Month is given to two students in first, second, and third grade. The Service of Self goes to award to a third grader who gives back in some way. Here's our counselor, Mr. Graber, to present these awards.
Hey HES students, here to give out our special awards we do every month. So we're going to start with our Service Above Self Award. Once again, we always want to mention our sponsors, so we always want to thank our Rotary Club for sponsoring this award. And this goes to a third grader who goes above and beyond with their actions and their behavior. And this month's recipient of the Service Above Self is third grader Grace Michaels. Congratulations, Grace. And our next awards are the Wildcats of the Month Award. And once again, we want to thank our sponsor of this award, which is Excalibur Contracting. So thank you for sponsoring those awards. So we'll start with our first grade Wildcats of the Month. And this month's recipients are Chloe Gunther and Hank Greathouse. Our second grade Wildcats of the Month are Paisley Burgess and Weston Otto. And finally, our third grade Wildcats of the Month are Wyatt Butler and Aaliyah Francis. Congratulations to all those winners. And finally, Mrs. Sumner and I, every month, try to pick a counseling class that we feel shows kindness and follows the rules and cares about each other and really shows some great compassion and respect. So this month's recipient is the first grade class of Mrs. Maxwell. Congratulations to that first grade class.
I'm Weston. I want to tell you about our bright futures with barrels of December, for December. We are collecting new Hot Wheels cars to donate to Children's Mercy Hospital. The cars must be in the original packet. I'm Maddie. Next up are our Character Trait Award winners. The Character Trait Award winner given to a student chosen by their classroom teacher who exhibited self-control during the month of November. Here's our principal, Ms. Schrapp, to announce this month's winners.
Hi guys, I'm here to give you your character trait for November winners. Avery Cantrell, Amari Jones, Bentley Baxter, Remington Naylor, Alice Longcore, Thomas Heineman, Cece Vance Jones, Camden Chanuth, Aubrey McGee, Isaac Ritter, Raina McGee, Evan Anderson, Xander Anderson, Emma Dubinsky, Elena Clark, Case Davis, Ethan Coltrane, Zaylee Hetrick, Dominic Batista, Emilio Coyoza, Sky Logan, Grayson Minnick, Audrey Powers, Grady Rohrvig, Robert Jones, Josie Hillman, Jairo Garcia, Ari Johnson, Katie Harris, Mia Burton, Richie Mallett, Kylie Setzinger, Devin Huckabee, Macy Wood, Ellie Evans, Piper Deerdorf, Xavier Marin, Lila Bruce, Peyton Weaver, Lola Jones, Dakota Bird, Ava Baldwin, Alexis Saldana, and Felicity Gary. Great job, guys.
I'm Jackson, and I want to thank all the families who came to our fall family feast. We had so much fun eating lunch and spending time together. I'm Grace, and our Mathematician of the Month is the next award. This award is given to one student chosen by their classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job with math over the past month. Here is the assistant principal, Mr. Hall, to announce our winners.
Hi guys, you get me instead of Mr. Hall. Mr. Hall had to leave. The mathematicians for November are Christian Snow, Lorelei Ray, Avery Fordyce, Whitley Larimore, Isaac Ritter, Kalia Stewart, Emmy Cantrell, Wesley Lawson, Elena Malone, Lacey Schaefer, Abel Fuller, Brindley Banks, Natalie Beggs, Logan Kane, George Wyatt, Vivian Bebout, Rory Barnes, Alex Saunders, Gus Snyder, Joel Campbell, Kane Bedford, and Felicity Gary. Great job, guys.
I'm Andreas, and I am here to introduce our special teachers to present their awards. Here are Mrs. Hallman, Mrs. Norman, Coach McInnes, and Mrs. Lawman.
Hi Wildcats, this is Mrs. Lawman from the library, and for the month of November I have chosen a class that is kind and respectful to big things that are important to me when you come to the library. I have selected Mrs. Brown's first grade class. Congratulations.
Hello Wildcats, I'm excited to announce the classes who displayed amazing creativity. Congratulations to Mrs. Maxwell, Mrs. Parkers, and Mrs. Hammonds. Have a good day.
Hello Wildcats, Mrs. Norman here to tell you the musicians of the month for the month of November. We have for first grade Delaney Bearden in Mrs. Hearn's class, second grade Lily Tomlinson in Miss Lesky's class, and third grade Ava Middlemas in Mrs. Comfort's class. You guys are doing a great job in music, and congratulations.
Hello HES, Coach Mack here, and I'm excited to announce the PE Sportsmanship Award winners for the month of November. So the first grade class recipient is Miss Caldwell's class, the second grade class recipient is Miss Knight's class, and the third grade class recipient is Miss Carpenter's class. Congratulations Wildcats, keep up the great work.
Finally, I'm Ray, and we want to remind you about our winter break. Our last day of school is December 20th, and then we'll come back to school on January 6th.